Boiling water doesn't just burn, it strips the body. Every instinct tells you to thrash. That's how most people die. Don't scream. Inhale steam, and your throat seals shut. Don't climb. Climb means friction, and friction means skin gone. Sink, then roll sideways, out, not up. Your muscles will betray you. The pain confuses direction. Focus on one thought. Surface near the edge. Use your elbows, not your palms. Your hands will melt first. Once out, don't peel clothes. They hold the skin together. Cold water only, never ice. Shock stops your heart faster than the burn. You will want to scream. Don't. You're still alive, and that's all that matters.